Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 6th, 2026. We have Hitachi ZX245. This unit has a little over 1,664 original hours. I'm not sure about operating hours as far as idle hours versus operating. Tried to pull it up in the computer, couldn't find it. But this is a nice unit, guys. It's got a Dramone quick coupler on it. Pin style with a weld-on thumb and hydraulic thumb, I should say. And let's see what else. Nice undercarriage, guys. This thing has had very minimal time since new. 1,600 hours. Things aren't even worn in or broken in yet. With the way they've taken care of this machine, it's really in good shape, guys. It has not been def deleted. I did talk to the mechanics about that just to make sure. A lot of guys want to def delete stuff nowadays, and this one has not been. It does have a reversing camera, nice and clean. No major leaks to be seen anywhere. Actually, I haven't seen a leak on this machine. Nice and clean in here, guys. The pump seems to be dry. 1,500 hours. They changed that filter at Hitachi. Valve bank, valve bodies all look really clean as well. It's just a little bit of a wasp nest in there. Anyhow. All looks really clean as well. No leaks of any sort. Oh gosh, it's unstable ground here. Cylinders are clean and free of any leaks. No scuffs on them as well. Nice and clean. 36-inch tooth bucket on it. And then a Jerome coupler. Could fit a 210G as well as a 245. This front cylinder as well, guys, it's pretty clean. I have noticed they set it down in the dirt, but they didn't really scuff it too bad. I think it could be cleaned up with some emery cloth or something. Nothing to be concerned of. Nothing that would make the seals leak. So that's really in pretty good shape. Go ahead and show the hours here, then we'll get you a quick little operations video. So it's showing to have 1,663 hours. We'll go ahead and click in here to information menu, operation, fuel consumption. I've got pictures of all this stuff as well if you want to go through it yourself and see the photos. But there you have it, guys. AC and heat. Two-speed machine. It does work just fine. Thumb control, aux hydraulics as well to operate that thumb. That's what's currently hooked up. We'll go ahead and jump up there, show you there's no blow-by, no engine noises, etc. Then we'll jump right into getting you guys a video of this machine in action, guys. Nice and clean up here as well. No rust, corrosion, issues like that we have seen. Looks like it sat in the sun a little bit, but that's about it. No blow-by. It's not trying to blow it off or anything. It's just doing what it normally does on an Isuzu. 16 valve motor it has. All the def equipment still there as well. You can see it in there. We're talking to the mechanics here. They have not deleted it, guys. It's all still intact. All right, without further ado, guys, I kind of gave you what you guys would be looking for if you're coming to look at it. I'll show you the VIN number here real quickly so you guys can verify with the photos. Ending in 0383. There's the ROPS VIN number as well. We'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video so you guys can see this thing in its full operation. All right, here we are. All right, check it out, guys. There you guys have it. Very nice Hitachi ZX245. Runs great, operates as it's supposed to. With the thumb, I do want to make a note. I do believe that thumb would hit the top of that boom, so I was being real careful not to do that. Just want to let y'all know on that. But besides that, guys, super nice, clean machine. If you got any questions, please give us a call. It's located here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Phone number is 480-282-3319, or give us a call at our toll-free number at 1-855-EQDEALZ, EQ Deals. Thank you very much.